I'm Chris Lynch in Christchurch's CBD on a cold winter's day. What can you do in central Christchurch on a day like today? Well, let's go exploring and find out. Parking in the CBD is pretty easy. You've just got to know where to look. The crossing on Litchfield Street is convenient. It's only $2 for 2 hours. The retail precinct is looking pretty good too. And if you're after a coffee, quick bite to eat or boutique shopping, this place is pretty cool. A short stroll through Cashel Mall and through the Bridge of Remembrance and you'll end up at West End Stories, a brunch haven in the CBD. West End Stories on Cashel Street is a great place to come for a quick coffee, a long brunch, cheeky dessert, but I'll tell you what my favourite are their smoothies. Really good. And as you walk off brunch, you'll probably be ready for a lie down, so you'll need a pick-me-up or a sugar hit. That's where Sweet Soul comes into play. It's the city's first fine patisserie shop in Christchurch. The coffee is great and the treats are so good. The art scene in Christchurch is vibrant and bold, and come out of the cold and into the warmth at the Christchurch Art Gallery and check out New Zealand and international artists. In fact, it's art that makes you think.